taking care of your soul. The one who says it, asks it, is the soul. So how to take care of yourself? It is the thoughts, the mind and the ego which cloud the soul. So you need not do anything to the soul. You just have to remove the thoughts and the mind, the ego, which are all one and the same, which cloud the soul. Just remove it and let everyone see the soul shining in its full glory. So that is the only thing you have to do. You just have to remove the veil of ego and the light of the soul will shine in full glory. Thank you.